Welcome to this module on the kingdom of Mari, trade that flourished. How did the trade happen? What were the exports and what were the imports? As you can see here, the kingdom of Mari is located on the Euphrates in the prime position for trade. They used to trade wood, copper, tin, oil and wine and various other goods that were carried in boats along the river Euphrates. Between the south and the mineral rich uplands of Turkey, as you can see here, from here they used to have trade links with the Turkey, then with the Syria and also with the Lebanon. Mari is a good example of urban center prospering on trade. So the kingdom of Mari had trade relations. They used to export wood, copper, tin, oil and also wine. Along with this, they used to trade various other goods as well. They used to trade with Turkey, Syria and Lebanon. Mari is a good example for UCP, that is urban center prospering on trade. The boats carrying the grinding stones, wood, wine and oil jars would stop at Mari on their way to the southern cities. As it is located in the prime location, the boats which were carrying the grinding stones, the wood, the wine, the oil used to stop at Mari on their way towards the southern cities. Officers of this town would go on board, used to check, inspect the cargo. A single river boat could hold 300 wine jars and they levy a charge of 1/10. How much? 1/10 of the value of what is being carried, of the goods, before allowing the boats to continue towards the downstream. Barley came in a special grain boats. So barley is carried separately. Most important tablet refers to copper from Alasia. Is nothing but the island of Cyrus, known for its copper and tin reserves, also an item of trade from Mari. As you can see here, the bronze was the main industrial material for tools, weapons. This trade was a great importance. So they need bronze for making the tools and also weapons. So they need bronze for different things. Thus, the kingdom of Mari was not militarily so strong, but it was exceptionally prosperous due to trade. That's why we are calling the kingdom of Mari as urban center prosperous through trade. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.